Olympia, the beautiful valley of the Alphios River, the most celebrated sanctuary of Zeus in antiquity, the most important of all pan-Hellenic sanctuaries, and of course, the birthplace of the Olympic Games, named after the area, Olympia. The first Olympic Games were held here in 776 BC, according to the written sources, and they were celebrated every 4 years to honor, of course, Zeus, the greatest of the gods. So in Olympia, you need to give it a full day so you can visit the entire site, the entire area, see the Temple of Zeus, the Temple of Hera, the beautiful stadium, the administration buildings, and of course, this is a unique opportunity to run in the open stadium like the ancient Greek athletes looking for glory.